Good evening, Mhlongo. I would like to take this opportunity to thank you for what you did for me when I was at my lowest. Without any provocation or me asking for help, you extended your hand towards me. You are the only one of all the hundreds of my children who stepped forward for me. This has gone to the deepest and innermost of my being. Ngiyabonga Mhlongo. You have proved beyond any reasonable doubts that I today stand in the shoes of Ndaba. Good night, Mbongeni Ngema. Hello Mzansi, welcome to Asikhulume with Pro. Please like, comment and share this video. We all know ukuthi we have lost ubaba Mbongeni Ngema akukha accident itolo. Ubaba Mbongeni Ngema beka-actor, songwriter. Waduma kakhulu ngengoma yakhe Isitimela Samsesazola, nale ngoma yokuthi hambe yolatha umuthi letha kimi intando awungigaxa ijazi mina ngidlise mina vele ngingowakho. So guys, we know ma-celebrities ethala Mzansi kokuthi anjani athanza kuposta abantu mase bashonile so that batochase it loud, which is something le naye Somizi Mhlongo did, but wabese uyandlulela ke yena awuyagagamela makathatha screenshots lesi asifaka lapha ku-Instagram. Bantu bakhomenta bathi unemanga, uchase it-clout, awuqamba manga. And ngithi mangisi ngiyoyi-check-a futhi leya post bese kayikhiphile uSomizi Mhlongo after people dragged him kokuthi waye aqambe manga ngemuntu lasekashonile, waye ama-celebrity athanze kudlala ngento alengahlekisi, waye afune kwenda ngazuthi awuyibhika person alapha nakumbongeni Ngema or something nje. Abantu bamdrekile ngendlela lesimanga. So ngicela comment down in comment section, do you believe ukuthi umbongeni Ngema vele umsendele ku Somizi Mhlongo le message, or this message was fabricated? I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.